So I'm going to prep my eyes using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer just to get ready to put down some eyeshadow. And to set that, I'm going to be using the Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Fair Clair. This is from Maybelline. And I'm going in with this Nomad Cosmetics, and I'm taking this pink shade right here and I'm just popping that in my crease. I don't know why I use this palette because I ended up using a different palette, which was the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with that, and I'm gonna take the brightest pink in there and just focus that in my crease. And ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you... Going back in with this palette, I'm just taking this purple color and packing that all over my lid. Now this is a really easy, colorful, smoky eye is what I like to call it. Super easy and simple. I'm just using 2 colors and that's it. And I just take a crease brush and dip in with that purple and just kind of blend it up in the crease. And that's all I'm doing. Moving on with the face, I'm taking this Benefit Professional Primer and I'm just putting that all over my face. And then the Nars foundation, I'll have everything I'm using down below, so make sure you guys check that out. And I'm just going to buff that out using this flat top brush. And yeah, so any products you guys want to know what I'm using in this video, look down in the description below. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to be blending that out using my Real Technique sponge. I'm going to use this Fit Me Loose Powder from Maybelline. This is in the shade Fair Clair. I'm just putting this underneath my eyes and setting the rest of my face. I'm using this Give Me Light bronzer from Patrick Starr with his collection with MAC. And I'm just bronzing up the face. I'm using this Pixi Beauty highlighter. Yeah, it's in Subtle something, I don't know. Again, you guys, everything's listed down below, so check that out. And I'm just going to highlight my face so I look like a glazed donut, you know. I'm going in with this glitter glue from Toofaced, and I'm taking that and putting it in the inner corner just to get it sticky for this glitter that I'm using. And I'm just going to pack that in my inner corner to make the eyes really pop. Now I'm just going to apply these falsies. These are LashesBook, I believe, in the style May. And I'm just going to apply that on my eyes. I mean, where else would you apply them? I'm also going back in with the palette. I'm mixing the pink and the purple together and just putting that underneath the lash line just to smoke it out. And I also applied bottom mascara. And next I'm using this brow gel from Anastasia in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm just going to do my brows. So there we have it, you guys. This is the completed look. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. And until next time, I will see you guys soon.